Birds are dumb and people are smart. Really? Sorry about the title, but I'll be using such words as sex, sexuality, and libido. Oops, I used them, didn't I? Don't you find it interesting that this subject must be approached with caution, but killing is rampant on television? I'll take sex over killing any day. Welcome to Bird TV. This is where I discuss subjects that have no place anywhere else, like how birds are so dumb and people are so smart. First observation. Because I live alone, I have the luxury of working at any hour I wish, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, whenever. I also sometimes watch late night TV. One night I saw an ad for a product that promised to boost a man's libido, increase his sexuality, and gain him stamina for just $90 for a month's supply. Wow, I thought, that's amazing. After all, I'm 70 years old, you see. Then I looked it up on the internet. God bless the internet. Its active ingredients were B6, zinc, B12, plus some stuff that was useless as best. $90 for a month's supply. Now that is marketing, because go to my website www.microdac.com and then click on the Amazon banner. You can order a bottle of vitamins which contains everything in the so-called stamina bottle for less than $15 for 400 pills. You know what is good for libido, stamina, etc.? Adult multivitamins for men over 50, plus an aspirin, works wonders. Yes, it has lots of zinc, B6, and B12. Of course, that's just my opinion. But $15 for 400 pills versus $90 for a 1 month supply? A little ridiculous, don't you think? Anyway, I learned a long time ago that people buy stuff based on marketing, that's all. Not logic, not reasoning. Take cereal, for example. They'll pay 4 times for the brand name than bending their knees and buying the generic version. One lady told me that generics are not the same. Really? Where is your local grocery store cereal manufacturing plant? They don't have one, do they? Once, when I was a homeowner, I had stuff on the side of my house. The hardware store sold me some liquid that would stop the growth almost immediately. And it did. It worked. I was on the way back to the store to buy some more when I read the label, 100% bleach. What? That's right, 100% bleach. So I bought a bottle of bleach at a fraction of the cost, and it worked. Just like that. Well, that's it for Bird TV for tonight. So, to answer your question, why do I call this Bird TV? Because I love watching birds and they teach me a lot. It reminds me of being in the company of smart people who think for themselves. Birds find food, they share the information, then they eat food. We, the smart ones, have, for the most part, forgotten how to think for ourselves. Well, not all of us. I sometimes forget too. Don't forget to share your comments and your suggestions.